Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to local host your website using Firebase. So if you have any changes that you have made that you don't want to deploy yet in the Firebase, you can local host first your website to check if those changes are actually what you want. So in order to local host your website, you need to open your CMD and go to the directory of your file, cd downloads, and type Firebase serve. Wait for it to be initiated. Once it is done, you can type in your browser localhost 5000. As you can see, this is the website that I have created before, and this is now locally hosted. So if you check your hosting feature on Firebase, you can see that there is no record of it being deployed because you're just locally hosting this. So that is how to local host your website on using Firebase. Thank you, and please consider subscribing and to the channel.